At McWane Plant and Industrial, our deep-rooted expertise and proven experience have established a decades-long legacy of excellence in the flow control industry. Our commitment to excellence across the municipal, industrial, and agricultural sectors empowers us to deliver value that extends well beyond the supply of high-quality valves, water control gates, pipe, and fittings. MPI offers access to a comprehensive selection of flow control solutions from trusted brands across the McWane portfolio, including Kennedy Valve, Clow Valve, M&H Valve, Waterman, Clearwater Manufacturing, McWane Ductile, and Tyler Union. Our extensive manufacturing footprint enables us to produce AIS, BABA, and BAA compliant domestic products, ensuring you meet regulatory requirements. Access to our comprehensive product portfolio simplifies your procurement process. All the products you need, all the support you request, all from one reliable source. Extraordinary ideas demand extraordinary investment. McWane Plant and Industrial prides itself on its investment into our facilities, our people, and technologies that enable us to deliver responsive service and support to every customer. By combining stability with forward-thinking innovation, we proactively address challenges today and for generations to come. Through dedicated research and a culture of creativity, our team consistently generates fresh ideas that bring lasting value to every engagement. We are trusted experts in flow control projects, driven by proactive professionals with deep domain expertise and industry insight. Our objective is to simplify and optimize every phase of the process, serving distributors, engineers, contractors, operations teams, and project owners with seamless efficiency. Our expertise allows us to take a holistic view of each project, recognizing how every decision influences outcomes across the entire project lifecycle. This empowers us to offer more strategic guidance and enables the entire team to make better informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. Our support teams are exceptionally trained, empowered to take decisive action, and equipped with deep product knowledge, enabling them to deliver innovative solutions, respond to inquiries with precision, and resolve concerns swiftly and effectively. It's a proven approach to delivering added value, supported by McWane's deep-rooted expertise in flow control, broad industry knowledge, and a strong foundation across key market verticals. Choosing McWane means partnering with a committed ally and a dependable long-term supplier, dedicated to your success every step of the way for generations to come.